which we'll get to in a second. We got like a barrel full of 700, 750 brew 2017, 750 brew 2008, and a 700 Grizzly Special Edition 2008. And yeah, we're gonna make our way back to the CRF230 back here, which is having problems, which is the title of this video actually. If it wasn't obvious yet. And I did a few videos of this on this channel, maybe one video, and quite a few on my other channel that, of course, I lost. But yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, so the other day I was driving home and it started making a weird noise. Basically, I had leaks whenever I first got it, and we fixed the leaks. I put oil in the bike. Started heading home. The bike was full on oil. Got home, started making a weird noise. Gave it a few revs, started making a clicking noise, and I have not very much knowledge with a dirt bike. Like, I know regular maintenance, and yeah. But whenever I got home, it started making a weird noise, and so I said, I don't know what it could be. It's kind of nothing like I never really heard. It doesn't seem bad. And it turns out it could be either the crankshaft, something to do with the valves or something. I will start it up in a second. I don't know if you can hear it though in the video. And I'm really hoping I can get it fixed because I miss my bike. Yeah, so I still haven't really grown much as I'm still on my tippy toes, and has been since I bought it. There is a few things I want to do to it, and I'm probably going to order before I even fix it. It's currently Tuesday. We're either taking it apart Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, and I want to order some kind of hand guards. I don't have money for that right now. I was originally supposed to get them a while back, but I probably will just go with the headlight for now, and then later on the power mat hand guards. Just two simple things. And yeah, so let's get it started up. Alright. Also, my electric start is a bit trippy. Yeah, there's a really bad rattle noise up here that I don't know if you guys can hear or not, and I don't like it, and I don't think the dog likes it either. But yeah, I don't think the bike likes it either. I got some new rubber. Nothing really else new that you guys don't know about. The exhaust, the baffle is cut out, which is I didn't do. Yeah, nothing really new about it, other than badness is what new. But yeah, I'll probably leave you guys off with that today. Nothing really else to do, but yeah, I'll see you guys later, and yeah, adios.